Good morning, Mr. Eric and Ms. Tong. Today, I'm here to present the internship program ARS 20108. My name is Lo Chun Wei. So for the past 6 months, I have joined Rowland as an intern training from August 2020 to January 2021. I would like to appreciate Ms. Tong and Mr. Eric, always here to be support and advice as an internship internal supervisor. And I would like to appreciate Mr. Kaur as the audit engagement partner for Moss Rowland, Mr. Muhammad Kama as the audit assistant manager of Moss Rowland, Mr. Ng, the audit supervisor for Team A, which is my team leader. So let's talk about the company I have joined for internship program is Moss Rowland. I have luckily to join into the audit department. Is one of my favorite departments. Actually, Moss Rowland is a medium-sized firm. I have handling of real account and tasks which are normally assigned to the full-time audit associates. I know well on the audit process from beginning until the end. I will giving some advice and recommendation throughout the internship period. So for most Rowland, I have joined to the interview sections through online, which interviewer is the Mr. Call. After most Rowland accepted my application, so I first day of working is at 3rd of August 2020 Monday. So I went out to find Miss Xia from Human Resources to fill out my personal detail, and I was know that I was placed in the team A, the level 4 audit department. So this is my company building. So I work at level 3A, the audit departments here. So the company background is the vision is to become the business advisor of choice through the creation of an environment where we want to give our best. So the mission is to provision of integrated range for client-focused service that will assist what client expect for and assist the client on the profitability for their business operations. So this is the head, Mr. Call, is the partner of Moss Rowland, and Miss Yo is executive director. At the same time is the Mr. Call wife. So under them have the tax supervisor, Miss Tan, audit assistant manager, Mr. Muhammad Kama, which is my manager, and senior secretary manager, Miss Chu. So what Moss Rowland provider service, we have corporate secretary service, accounting service, audit assurance service, my service department, tax service, corporate recovery restructuring service for winding up company. So what actually the task I have gone through during my internship, the first step is we will obtain the management account from the client, which included the trial balance, opening balance, general ledger, statement of profit and loss, statement of financial positions. And we also get the sales income, purchase, sales invoice, purchase invoice, payment voucher, cash voucher, bank statement, tenancy agreement, all such of supporting element. If the volume is huge, we will plan to field audit at the client place. So once we get the management account, we will move to step 2 to proceed the audit process. So we based on what account of the company have, such as like PPE, plant, property, plant, equipment, investment property, sales, inventory, term loan, hire purchase, purchase, debtor, creditor, all these such of account we have to process our audit working paper. So before we start the audit process, we need to set the PML, which is performance materiality level. This is such as a benchmark to tell us that if the amount is over the PML, we need to proceed the test of detail TOD to vouch and check whether the amount or the information are recorded accurately. And if let's say the amount is below PML, so we need to doing an analytical review. And we also need to check for the fluctuation compare current year and prior year. Before we go to draft the audit report, we need to recalculate the statement of financial position, statement of profit and loss, statement of change in equity, and statement of cash flow. Once we complete, we will move to we will start draft the audit report. Like we have disclosed all important notice there. So we such as the corporate information, director report. We have the note of the financial statements, statutory declaration, all important thing we will put in the audit report. So we will casting check the audit report and pass to reviewer. Reviewer will pass to third party for another casting check. Once we amend all the error, we will pass to Mr. Call, engagement partner, for final casting for the final checking. So after done, we will move on to step 4, client approval. We will send the audit adjustment that we have made and the draft report to client to let client review the report. Once the client has reviewed all the things and without any concern, then they need to sign and with the company job send email back to us the client late adjustment list. So we will pass the audit report to the secretary. The secretary will submit the audit report to CCM. So what is the challenges I have faced during the internship is audit really need the skill. If you without basic knowledge of the audit field, that it was very terrible. And we actually need some of clients are less cooperative. They won't reply the email. Sometimes they also will reject your call. And we lack of time to complete the audit file on hand. We have limited time to complete a huge volume of the file. So that was quite challenges. And if let's say a lot of work but limited time, so what we have to do, we have to stay back. We have to do it over time for our audit process, our working paper. And one of time that I tried lost my documents, audit documents. I have sent to client, but client say did not receive the document. And I have checked my office, checked my table, and contact with my senior and my team leader. Also did not recognize the document. So after 1 hour, the client call back to us, tell us that the document actually is at his place, but he forget where he put already. So actually it's quite an unforgettable event during internship. So what is the company environment analysis SWOT? Let's talk about the strength. Most Rowland actually have able to provide the full range of the service, like just now I show you have the corporate service, they have the audit, tax service, secretary service, accounting service, all kind of service is one of the good thing. And the weakness is they lack of the staff to handle a huge volume of the work. The opportunity is to provide the value add service to provide competitive advantage. For the track, increase in the new audit firm in this industry actually will cause competitive pricing. So what my recommendation to most students is hire more experienced professional in audit departments and also set out the framework of listing template into the NAS system so everyone can go through to the NAS system. And we also advise giving a short and brief meeting every month with the top management to explain them to discuss about what are the concern or issue facing in the past month. So also carry out most should be carrying out a training or workshop for all the employees. My suggestion to MSU is to upload all the answer for the past year question into e-class system. It's the standard answer that for the student to know which calculate answer should be correct or wrong. And most MSU should be collaborate with other audit firm or even multinational companies such as the Big Four firm, PwC, KPMG, EY, Deloitte, or Intel, Dell. Then the student who are really want to going for internship, they have more chance to go for this kind of multinational firm. So what actually I have learned in this internship is a better understanding for my career path in audit field. And I also expert in the Microsoft Excel and Words, which most of my audit working paper is done by Microsoft Excel and Microsoft Word. I actually know I have gained multitasking and time management. Due to limited time and huge volume of work, I know I can determine I can handle this job at one time, and I know which of the job should be priority to complete and which one is not urgent. And I have gained to be more proactive and helpful. I'm always there to volunteer to help my senior prepare the signing pages, engagement letter. So what are the training success? Yes, definitely. I have gained a lot of useful practical knowledge and has not been taught in the college, and its challenges and stress during the internship, but I have overtaken. I have quite handled a few of audit file from small company to medium size of company, and at least handle 20 of the company audit would done. So this is my audit colleague. This is my working environment, and the center one is my table. Okay, that's all my presentation. Thank you.